Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to increase the RAM on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app. Now from here, just search RAM. Now from here, tap on RAM. Now from here, as you can see, we have a total of 8 gigabytes of RAM. Now to increase the RAM on your Poco phone, just go back. Now from here, just search memory. Now from here, tap on memory extension. Now from here, you can select the amount of RAM you want to increase by using the storage of the smartphone to increase the RAM. Now we will select 6 gigabytes. Now from here, tap on reboot. Now it will take a few seconds to reboot your smartphone and increase the RAM on your Poco phone. Now once your smartphone finishes rebooting, just open your smartphone. Now from here, just open the settings app. Now just search RAM. Now from here, tap on RAM. Now as you can see, we have a total of 8 gigabytes of RAM and we have added an extra 6 gigabytes of extra RAM. And this is how you can increase the RAM on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.